How do you make if you have a lot of in-season fruit? Here are some few ideas. You can cut them and freeze them for smoothies. You can make jelly or jam out of them. You can make fruit salad, and you can also make fresh fruit syrup. So in today's video, we are going to be making fresh peach syrup that you can use for toppings on your pancake, waffle, French toast. You can also use them to make lemonade. So in here, I just wash and cut my peaches into smaller pieces. To that, I'll add some aromatic. I'm adding some rosemary. I will also add some grain of Selim. In place of grain of Selim, you can also add some cloves. I'll add some water and put it on the stove top to let it come to a boil. We are making peach syrup tea today, or peach tea. So you can use any tea bag of your choice. I'm just going to be using these green tea bags. I'll put 3. You can use any amount you like depending on how concentrate you want your tea. I'll add some hot water onto the teapot and let the tea brew. I'll cover it and set it aside. As the tea is brewing, we will check back on our peach and see how it is doing. Now I'm just going to be stirring it. I'll increase the heat and let it come to a boil, and let it boil until we have half of the peaches back in the pot, or boil it until you reduce the volume to half. And I'm just going to use my masher to mash to get most of the juice and also the fruits. And I'm using my strainer or sieve, whatever you have, to strain this nicely into a bowl. After straining, this is what I got. I'll add some honey. I'll also add some lemon juice. That is optional. I'll have all the ingredients in the description box below for easy access as always. So if you want to give this a try, you can check the ingredients in the description box. After adding some lemon juice, I'll give it a good stir to mix everything together nicely, and our peach syrup is ready. This tea is so refreshing and it smells so good. You can also use this syrup to sweeten your water if you find water a little boring. I know some people like to add sweetness to their water. You can use this for that. You can also use it on your waffle, your pancake. You can also use this syrup to make lemonade. There are countless options for you to use this syrup for. Enjoy your in-season fruit recipes. Thank you so much for joining me on this adventure, and I will see you in the next video.